For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Suwelele, eBloemfontein, Toyota Stadium 2, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Ngumdlalo weBetway Premiership, match day number 26 for the current season, ka-2025-2026. Junior, masingene mfowethu, bendibulela umdlalo kunjani?
Shane mabrada kunjani?
I'm okay.
Ngibulise wena, ngibulise uJustice, ngibulise uNkululeko. Ngibulise uBenedict Sofilakazi, ngibulise Mtanela Sinamba, Machakzin. Ngibulise uBubu. Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Honestly speaking, watching the game, ngicela ucompliment uLhlone neSema. I mean, I've been complimenting a coach, whether we should each and every game, I'm not talking about big games only. In the coach must win games, especially with Lama team Lawa Adingana Nai. In Kulmambo TX Galax Samazulu. You need to beat those teams, Pulukwane City Makesi, because it's like targeting those three teams, Orlando Pirates, Chiefs, and Mamelodi Sundowns. Because when he plays against those teams, I mean, honestly, it beat them. Tactically, find it. Gunendlela ithola. Asikhulume ngegame nje. Ngicela ukumcomplimenta uSema mfethu. USema did very well in today's game. I mean, mastering three in today's game. Game yanamhlanje. I think udlale nge-intensity high. He never lost the ball. Ama-player akhe they badlala off the ball. Nokushaya iKaizer Chiefs nge-counter attack. I think we must really in a counter attack. I think this guy Mokwana in the midfield, he Magaman, they did very well. I think the understanding between them, it was something else in Kulmanga first half. Well done to centre back, which is Usino and this guy Umobi. I think they did very well, and the goalkeeper as well. The understanding between two centre back, I think namhlanje compliment. They build up a very quick. Kemina namhlanje first half build up a very quick. Mangikhuluma ngomagaman. Nalengwenye le Mokwana. Into engithanda ngaye, the movement between them. If ngikhuluma nge-link, i-defense yabo between attack and i-link, i-defense, attack and defense, they did very well. Both of them, if somebody is not going and fetch the ball, one of them is going. And Mamalinga, always they find this boy, we are Kaizer Chiefs Potsane. I think it did very well in today. Game, being man of the match, that's for me. He's a man of the match. He plays as if going to point back, I'll prove him cheater. It's handed midfield, they did very well. There's combination play there. They defensively, they did very well. They pressed Kaizer Chiefs there. From there, good banga start, like la pagu build up yabo. And Potsane, well done to him. Nkuluma front for yabo. Potsane, Mazibugo, and Ucheze. And also this guy,
also Kampanelungu.
Kampanelungu.
Yeah, also one man of the match. Yeah.
Yes, Nkaluba compliment. I think they did very well. And unfortunate not to score equal number 3 or 4. Nkuluma first half. Well done to UCM. I think the movement is something else. Combination play, managing the game. Nkuluma first half. And a very accurate in terms of passing. I'm players work. You won't well done to him. Was intensity high, but I'm players they hardly lose the ball. But Fadi pays to Kaizer Chiefs. And well done to Nkulumanga Mateka's work. It did very well. I think every time Monyane goes up at Kaizer Chiefs, they expose the space. And well done to, I think it's the homework is 7 UCM. And Kaizer Chiefs, I think first half, nothing much from them. I think a lot of players they were off. Nkulumanga Mtu Shabalala Tuba, Ulumchituliepo, also Mabuye, off. Honestly, I can tell you the truth, they were off about it, and it's disappointing. I mean, I'm a player of the whole team. The Kaizer Chiefs first half, they never came to the party. After conceding 2 goals, it's when I got reactor, but Modi as well. They got off Modi, and Kaizer Chiefs second half after conceding. Babena masapa bawenzile a better but nabo baleke creativity Kaizer Chiefs they lack abakwazi like kunzima ukuthi create ama-chances, especially clear-cut chances, because of there's no combination play. And ama-players wabo ngathi aba-understandani Shane. They were rushing, especially chasing a goal. Those 2 goals ngikhuluma nga-second half. And yeah, babenawo ama-chance, but I won't say it's clear-cut chances because of rushing. Now abakwazi ukuba ne-combination play. They don't have a player. Ngikhuluma ngama-player that can decide game. Ngikhuluma abathathe responsibility. So second half, I think i-Celtics watholile 2 also chances nabo, which is ngicabanga ukuthi ugoalkeeper usavile uBrandon Peterson usavile kunebhola ebalibambe ngo-left walisava, kunelinye ibhola I think bavelile the goalkeeper bambabe ngedami defense yasuke then yet ukuthi aqinise izandla. It did very well, supposed to be 5 honestly. So honest to say, for me, I think we dominated. Deserve to win this game. Because deserve we win at 3-0. If no, mhlambe Chiefs being a corner, second about to lead a chance to mhlambe, but not clear-cut chances. Ngaba ma free header, ama bola ma cross, free header and job ngisho, not clear-cut chances in terms of build up. Okanye mhlambe combination play. So very disappointing from Kaizer Chiefs, but mina Shane disappointing disappointed. This is what I expect playing against Orlando Pirates, and then you come and defend, and then we sexualize Zandla. You play with 3 defensive midfielders, and I mean, we told chance one you finish. So Kaizer Chiefs, honestly, today Usiema we expose in certain there's certain elements Usiema expose to Kaizer Chiefs.
Junior, tell me, Yazi, kwezinye clubs or anywhere around the world, how you top goal scorer? I'll take, for example, about Haaland, they are top goal scorers. Gyökeres at Arsenal, they are top goal scorers for Arsenal, and also Manchester City. Even here locally, even though Reina is a top goal scorer for Sundowns, but he hasn't been starting games. But for Kaizer Chiefs, Usilva is a top goal scorer, but he hasn't been starting games. He didn't start with Derby. He didn't start also again Namhlanje. Does it surprise you, ukuthi baya quick games without their top goal scorer, Ikona, starting 11?
Yeah, I'm not surprised. It goes no with Abamchimbi. That guy, they don't even trust him. He scores. Look at his goal, how he scores with penalties. Ikoleli one ngibona umchita thena. Ngimshayela izandla last time ngichelile na.
Oh yeah. Oh, against Makis.
Yeah, ngimshayela izandla, but how many goals that he has scored njengalawo? Ngifuna strike esikwazi ukuzicreate ama chances. Mina ngikhuluma ngawe abo Reynas Mabasa. Leo. Yabo? Mabasa luhambe ku Orlando Pirates. I love certain strikers. We talk about strikers that dynamic, create a space for himself, make run off the ball. No more like skillful, but now a very difficult striker. Joba ngisho mina. As long as in things bonengaye, I think nabo mabambone Jimin, they don't trust him. Yes, he scored goals. We have a surprise. Like, but they still don't believe in him. Ngoba Kaizer Chiefs kunenye into wena Shane. Honestly, I can be honest with you. Ama midfielder ababarlagi ma midfielder and relying to any striker of them. And their midfielders, even if they score this week, you can't rely on them now. Abeko consistency. Abana lenta ikugiba, can be honest with you. Because being expected, he came against Orlando Pirates. Ngibonile kube ne impact a bit of impact in Orlando Pirates, which is being ngayibhekanga. So in today's game, bamqaleni game, not much of Umtu. And then Tuba, he created one chance. He never played well against Orlando Pirates. In today's game, after bengicabanga ukuthi kuzoba ne-confident with him and Umtu after lenta at least abayenzile ngeDerby against Orlando Pirates. That little thing abayenzile bengicabanga ukuthi izoba lifta, but ayikho kibo, you can tell they don't have those type of players. Nala ma player banawo ayikho. Modi scored. Bengicabanga ukuthi confident izozi high. Checking play, but it's not in him. Akusinto yakhe. Like it's not in him. So as ngisho ukuphendula uSilva access striker that Kaizer Chiefs can rely on him, and the coaches they see at Chimini, it's proven. There's no coach on a team in Ubege Penchin who can score goals for me, and then Ubege Penchin so that I can get Chase Bankosh. There's no coach that can do that. Clearly, they don't trust him. So, access striker pair. They need, as Nisho question, Minal Kopek, Nisho footing it. Ama players, Ama now, ego they win 3 games or 4 games. People they start. Babe confident in Kulmang Mafens wabo. They lost 3 games or 2 games in a row, or try to lose 3 games in a row. The reason being the squad subs average. I will be honest. They are not consistent. But they can surprise you. So it's very difficult. Shane, in today, honestly, UCM I think better than Kaizer Chiefs. Senkulma, the way they circulate the ball, game management. Udlala nge-intensity high, he had to lose the ball. Ama player ke bhola balona enyaweni and Magaman I mean umabuye is like ngathi ungamshintsha agqoke ijezi leKaizer Chiefs Magaman energetic deliver those killer passes play short makumele adlale short combination play kwazi ukudlala long shot support him and this guy Makwane and Potsane uyabonisa ukuthi number 10 must play beyond the defense ukunika this guy Maseko and Ucheza option ukuthi even if you come in I can go behind and Kaizer Chiefs get confused ngoba at the back Kaizer Chiefs today look exposed they were exposed in umfana kaMakhathi honestly him and given Msimande exposed in the first 20 minutes bekingayenzeka mina ngicoach bengayenza tactical change uthatha isikhathi ucoach le two goals abaconsidered I think they were exposed upik goal number 2 bajekele on the left right hand side you understand abavaleli umunyane one must go there not two of them and then badlala ibhola labasuka khona it was a goal so in all department today, I think they were exposed. Yeah. Second half, Babena moment, yes, I will say, Mbaboni the effort there, but not enough.
Before Steve Valle Jr., which has a sneaky signal, you saw Grant Magaman playing a pivotal role for Israel and Namhlanje. Grant Magaman, I know even age-wise, I'm not sure about his age, but do you think Mhlambi he has a place in that Kaizer Chiefs team?
Not good Chiefs. A good number player that can play for. It's good whoever is now. La Ukraine. I know Gucci Wangbuza. I said Chibonga swipe Chiefs. Not per se can play for Chiefs, but in Kulmanga NHR now in Namhlanje. And honestly speaking, Mamfa Chiefs now can be same as these players. So not Kaizer Chiefs. There's players that they can get for their position. Honestly speaking, they only give me. Minanghaling refer Mkhulisi. Break it back account. Just go for Mkhulisi. Nyaz with the Sundowns batting again. Money speaks. Talks. Money talk. If we take out money, bring Mkhulisi at Kaizer Chiefs and then. But Toleno number 10, sign a vet boy, in fact. Nimboni vet boy, and it's Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, the boy is young, but a very dynamic player. Bring such players to begin in any surrounding, not only those two. And then Kaizer Chiefs, Nyakchela Mfetu, in direction, and bring the experienced coach as well. Because these coaches, I'm sure Nabobai Bonile naturally, Usema Oba Kagazi, Oba Kakile Lama coach, and honestly, Oba Vezi, who they are.
Okay, Junior Masival. That's Junior Kanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. Besibukele kunye lo mdlalo wesiwelele against the Kaizer Chiefs at the Toyota Free State. Lapho ke iswelele sibethele khona iKaizer Chiefs ngo 2-0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.